everyone, welcome back to Technic Force Learning. In this video, we're going to talk about what makes Clubhouse such a great app for thought leaders. Let's get started. As a thought leader, you're always looking for the latest and greatest in technology industry trends and of course, changes in your audience's behavior. If you've been paying attention to the latest digital marketing chatter, then you likely have heard the term Clubhouse more than a few times. This platform is gaining attention across industries, and more thought leaders are asking, just how valuable is this new platform? If you've been wondering about Clubhouse and how could it pay into your thought leadership marketing strategy to help your business, then you've come to the right place. So let's jump right in. What makes Clubhouse such a great app for thought leaders? Clubhouse's popularity is quite impressive. Does that mean that every thought leader should jump on board? The answer is yes. Not only does it allow you to network with other like-minded individuals, but when used correctly, it can become quite an addition to your marketing strategy. Curious? Here are 4 ways Clubhouse can benefit your thought leadership strategy. First, gather feedback from customers and business professionals alike. When approached carefully, the Clubhouse app can be used as a valuable part of your marketing strategy. It's an excellent tool to foster open communication between you and your audience, as well as between you and like-minded business professionals. This type of open communication is a fantastic opportunity to ask for feedback on customer feedback on products or services, or professional feedback on processes or workflows. Number 2, stay up to date on industry news and trends. If you're new to the app and haven't actively joined in the conversation, you can still learn quite a lot from simply tuning into industry-related rooms. These rooms are an excellent place to learn about current and upcoming trends. They can also provide you a wealth of knowledge on what's on currently within your industry, allowing you to not only stay in the loop, but address any issues that could potentially affect your audience members. Next, connect with potential investors. Venture capitalists make up a portion of audience currently utilizing the Clubhouse app. For those smaller startups or those looking for additional funding for their brand, that means you have an opportunity to catch their attention. An excellent way to do this is through active participation in relevant rooms. By sharing your knowledge and expertise, you're actively showcasing why you're worth paying attention to. By building this credibility, you'll start to gain new followers or friends. And when the time is right, you can open up your own room to talk about your business, where you see it going. And lastly, build brand awareness without spamming. One of the Clubhouse app's biggest perks is the ability to join relevant rooms and share your knowledge with others. For example, upon joining the app, an intellectual property attorney joined a startup club room and started answering questions posed by members of the audience. In doing so, she stated that she's connected with approximately 20 new clients. All this attorney did was join in a conversation, share her own experience, and address some of the presented questions. By sharing her experience, she spread awareness of her brand, gained the trust of these 20 individuals, and converted them to new clients without being spammy or coming off as promotional. Start building more meaningful connections with Clubhouse. This app provides thought leaders and marketing professionals an opportunity to build lasting relationships in a new way. And before this video ends, did you know that you can get a software that gets perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags, and tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy? It can get the exact optimizations that you need to rank on number 1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags, and optimize any videos in minutes, not hours. And that is TubeRank 4. Stop being in the background and get your number 1 rankings plus traffic with TubeRank 4. It's a powerful video SEO optimization in minutes. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented, with just 3 steps. Step 1, identify the keywords you want to rank. Step 2, follow TubeRank instruction. And step 3, enjoy the traffic. So, try 2brancheat for now. Go to 2brancheat.com. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.